It's Father's Day. The one day a year that everyone says, "Oh yeah, dads! I forgot about those." Being a dad is more than just having some kids. It's about being there for them, teaching them, and also learning from them. You're not afraid to get your hands dirty. And when life's challenges seem insurmountable, you don't just work hard, you work smart. And as rad as you may be, you never forget why. So keep up the hard work, dads. Just remember to take a break every once in a while.